Good morning everyone. This is Harshavardhan Reddy from Trendy Hyundai Mahabubnagar dealership. And coming to, I hope everyone is going good in these COVID situations right now. And today we are going to discuss about a new technology. Pastly in the automobile industry, we used to discuss about the manual transmission and an automatic transmission. Only these two transmission mostly we have heard about this. But in nowadays we are going to listen about the IMT technology, intelligent manual transmission, and coming to DCT, dual clutch transmissions. What are these? Many of the people who are buying to purchase the new cars, they are mostly curious about knowing what is an IMT transmission, how will it work, how without a clutch manual transmission is it possible, how we can change the transmissions, how it is working. They are all more curious about to know these things, and that's not a biggest thing because these advanced technology which we are using in the automobile industry, by this we can do everything, and it's possible. Moreover, by Hyundai has recently launched an i20 IMT transmission, and we are getting these transmissions in Venue also. And today we come how a IMT transmission works, how we can change a manual transmission without a clutch, how a manual transmission is possible, and how the manual transmission clutch is going to operate, how a gear system is going to operate. That's nothing but all the operations in the manual transmission vehicles are allowed by a computerized system which lies in the car, like throttle position, brake position, whatever we are using, the clutch position, all are operated by a computer system. But in this, an intense sensor lies in the gearbox. When the person who is driving, going to apply a force in the gear lever to shift upwards or downwards. In such case, it will automatically tells the computer the person who is driving is willing to change the gear shift. In such case, automatically it will allow us to the valves to open, and we can shift the gears. And these are provided by Hyundai mostly at most affordable prices, and these are more convenience to the Indian markets. Like how convenience people are asking mostly in some of the queries we have seen, and some of the people are asking about will the IMT transmission will stall, vehicle will shut down, which of the vehicle when higher RPM, whether in a higher gears. Some people are more curious about this. That's nothing doubt at all, because it has two convenient features, which one is the creep function, one is the anti-stall function. The creep function means, which can be simple in our simple language, in daily to daily, bumper to bumper traffic, we mostly use the clutches. Whatever the position in the forward, before vehicles are moving, we actually release somewhat clutch to move the function to move the car towards the forward direction. Same in this, when we have to shift the gear towards the first gear or second gear. In that gear, first and second gears, automatically vehicle will move up to 5 to 6 kilometers per hour, and just we have to release the brake. That's a creep function which allows us, which in that bumper to bumper traffic we feel more convenience. And the anti-stall function secondary, that in whatever the RPM, whatever the gear you are operating by mistakenly or forgottenly, automatic vehicle will not at all stop at any position. It automatically indicates the cluster to shift the gear towards which position it is needed to in that RPM. By that we can easily change the gear shift, whether we are using a higher RPM and we are using the lower gear, it will automatically indicates by this. And these IMT transmissions are most fuel efficient, and these IMT cars are more and have the lowest cost of maintenance and affordable by most reasonable prices by Hyundai. It is providing in the Indian markets, and these technologies are more comfortable the Indian markets. And by this we can come to intelligent manual transmission is the most affordable to Indian roads, and these are the most these provides the most fun driving with the two pedal driving shifter, two pedal driving to us. Yeah, thank you. And today we shall once have a test drive how the manual IMT transmission works, how an IMT transmission is going to work. Whenever we need to start the car, the car must be in the neutral position, and if you are willing to start in the unneutral position, automatically it will indicates us to please shift to the neutral. Automatically we can see in the cluster shift neutral to start the engine. When we are in a neutral position, the car we can start the car. And when we are willing, the creep function works like I have right now shifted towards the first gear, and just when I am leaving the brake pedal, automatically it is moving. And even we can operate in the second gear also, the creep function will works, and which has the most convenience to us. And whether we are willing to, in such case, when we are shifting to the, we are using in a higher gear, higher RPM. Right now I have shifted towards the higher RPM, third gear. It will automatically indicates please shift down, and this, and vehicle will not stall. This is called anti-stall function. By this, customer can be more convenient, because he need not to worry about the vehicle is going to stop in the traffic. In such case, we feel somewhat hurry-burry. In this, by this anti-stall function, we don't feel like that anything. And the creep function, by this we can easily operate. And the shifting of the gears, also is the most reliable. By this, the manual IMT transmission, we can easily change the gears, and it's a